Hey there everyone, welcome back. I'm Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In today's video, we'll walk through how to install Apache Maven on Windows. So without any further delays, let's get started. Firstly, let's open a browser here. Let's search for Apache Maven Windows. And here we will need to download the binary version. So let's download the zip file, save, show it in the folder. And let's unzip this. We could just bring this out. Now all we'll have to do is set up the environment variables and our installation will be complete. So let me copy this path. Let's click on start, search for env, click on edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variables and under the system variables, let's see if we have Maven path. So we don't have it either in system variables or user variables. So here you could set it up for a user or you can just set it up widely for us for the system. So I'll go with the system variables here. Let's click new, type maven underscore home, everything in caps, and paste the value that we copied. That's the path to this Apache Maven folder. Click on OK. Now once the Maven home is set, we'll set up the path for bin. Let's click on new. You could just edit it. Click on new here and type percentage maven underscore home percentage backslash bin. So this should do it. Click on OK and then OK. Now let's open up terminal. Let's try printing Maven version -hyphen version. So you can see this Maven version being printed. We had downloaded 3.8.6. You can see the same version here. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you found it was helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends, and drop your valuable thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and hit on the notification bell so you never miss out any of our latest updates. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming videos.